Hey everyone, it's Julie here with Tip Ranks. Today we're taking a look at two strong buy energy stocks that are also dividend royalty. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at a couple energy stocks that boast the title of Dividend Aristocrat. That means a company has been consistently paying and increasing their dividend for at least 25 years. For dividend investors, this title represents a high-quality, resilient company that delivers reliable, growing passive income. And on top of that designation, our two stocks today also come in with a strong buy consensus from Wall Street analysts. So we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel. Now let's dive right into these two Dividend Aristocrat energy companies. First on the list, we're taking a look at Chevron. They trade under the ticker CVX, currently priced at $166 per share. The stock is up about 5% over the past year, and in the last 3 months has climbed over 10%. Chevron is one of the world's largest integrated energy companies. They explore and drill for crude oil and natural gas, refine them into gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, and other products, and then sell them through their famous gas stations and to industries worldwide, all while investing in lower carbon solutions like renewables, hydrogen, and carbon capture to meet future energy needs. Chevron is a dividend aristocrat with 38 years of consecutive dividend increases under their belt. And their current quarterly dividend is $1.71 for a dividend yield of 4.54%. Their next quarterly earnings report is coming up soon at the end of January, and it does follow both an earnings and revenue beat for their last quarter back at the end of October. For their Q3, they had earnings per share of $1.85, beating expectations by 16 cents per share. And revenue came in at $49.73 billion, beating by $2.3 billion. They also delivered record production exceeding 4 million barrels of oil equivalent per day, and their Hess integration is on track. Just yesterday, we heard from an analyst at Jefferies who increased their price target on the Chevron stock. They expect Chevron to report adjusted earnings per share of $1.45, or about 2% higher than the consensus, and expect investors to focus on developments in Venezuela, TCO production, an El Segundo fire update, and the gas to AI outlook. The Chevron stock has 19 current analyst ratings and comes in as a strong buy with 15 buys and 4 holds. And the average price target of $177 per share implies an upside potential of about 6.7%. Looking at those most recent ratings, we do have a hold with a downside of 5% and a high-end price target with an upside of over 18%. And for our second stock, we have NextEra Energy. They trade under the ticker NEE, currently priced above $82 per share. Their stock has climbed nearly 15% over this past year, and in the last 3 months is down 3.6%. NextEra is America's leading clean energy company and the largest electric utility holding company in the country. They operate through 2 main arms: Florida Power and Light, or FPL, which is the biggest electric utility in the U.S., reliably delivering power to about 12 million people across Florida, and NextEra Energy Resources, the world's top generator of renewable energy from wind and solar, while also managing natural gas, nuclear, battery storage, and transmission infrastructure to meet growing demand. And as a dividend aristocrat, NextEra has increased their dividend for 31 consecutive years and is targeting about 10% annual growth of that dividend through at least 2026. Their current dividend sits at 56 cents per share for a dividend yield of 2.84%. They also have a quarterly report coming up soon on January 27th. This does follow an earnings beat, but a revenue miss for their third quarter back in October, where they saw Q3 earnings per share of $1.13, coming in 11 cents ahead of expectations, while revenue did climb 5% to $7.97 billion, but fell $1.25 billion short. With that, though, the company did maintain their long-term guidance, and they added 3.2 gigawatts of new projects since their last earnings call, bringing the total backlog to nearly 30 gigawatts. Yesterday, we also heard from that analyst at Jefferies they reiterated a buy rating but did lower their price target by $1, saying the firm remains confident in NextEra's ability to deliver over 8% earnings per share growth, reinforced by last week's senior management meeting. Data center deals will be the key stock catalyst in 2026, and execution against targets is everything. The firm did add that it does not expect major updates with the Q4 call after the December Investor Day, and they see large data center deals in the year ahead. The NextEra stock has 16 current analyst ratings and comes in as a strong buy with 12 buys and 4 holds. And the average price target of $92.50 implies an upside potential of 12%. Looking at those recent price targets down below, they range from an upside of about 3% up to a high-end price target of 21%. So that is a very quick look at 2 strong buy energy stocks, both with Dividend Aristocrat status. Apologies for the short video today. I'm not feeling my best, but we got her done. Let me know your thoughts on these 2 companies in the comments down below and what other dividend royalty stocks you guys like. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so always do your own research and due diligence. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.